Hello everybody, today I will be showing you my chickens. So in the past 2 days we've had it rain and we've had it snow. So outside we just got a bunch of slush. So like I did in the gutter video, I will be letting them out. So this is the chicken coop. The chicken's food is in all these buckets. This is their bedding. It is a bunch of pine shavings. It looks like that. And if we want to, we can feed them other food scraps. They love these ones. We have about 32 chickens. Normally in the summer, they would all come running out like crazy, but since it's pretty cold outside, they like to stay in here. This is a lot of chickens. We have 31 hens and 1 rooster. We have lots of different breeds of chickens as well. This one is a barred rock. This speckled one right here that looks like a barred rock is actually called a silver lace Wyandotte. This cool looking one right here is called an Americana. We have 2 of those ones and we like to call them the hawks because they look like a hawk. I found the other one. Right now it is laying an egg in one of the nesting boxes. This one right here is my favorite chicken. Its name is Dr. Leopard. This one just started laying eggs and she's about 8 months old. Next, I will be collecting the eggs. We do not give names to all of our chickens because some of them look so similar you just can't tell them apart. We only give names to the ones that you can obviously tell apart from the others. To get to the chicken coop, you just go from the house to the barn to the silos, and then it's this older shed right here. We don't use the whole thing for chickens, we just use this back part over here. When we collect eggs, we simply grab the egg and put it into the basket. And then we do that for all of these nesting boxes here. We also get multiple colored eggs. We have these ones right here. There's the darker ones, and we get green and blue ones. Here are all the eggs that we collected. This is how much we got in one day. We got 14 eggs. Next, I will be bringing these into the house and washing them. So when we wash the eggs, we simply just take the egg and the brush and scrub it off for a couple of seconds. And then we leave it out to dry. For the next step, I will be giving the chickens new bedding. We're using this stuff that I showed you earlier. First, what I do is I take all the chickens' water and stuff and set it out here so I don't get the shavings on the water. Now I will be bedding the chicken coop. So I have finished giving the chickens their new bedding, and now I will be getting them food. To give them food, what you do is you get a pail or bucket full of food and simply dump it in. And then you do that for the other food thing over there. So I gave the chickens their food. Now it's time to fill up their water. To do this, you just open up the top of the container and fill it up. Here we go. It's a nice, clean chicken coop. We got our water, our fresh shavings, the food, and we collected all the eggs. And I have one more thing to do. Feed the chickens these carrots. They will love these. All done. So right now it's about 5:30 p.m. and it is time to put in the chickens. Chickens can't really tell time, so they go to bed when it's dark outside. We have a timer right here that we can set the time for when these two lights in here turn off, but we leave this one on. Like I said earlier, we have 32 chickens, so what you do is you make sure they're all in there and then you count them. The two Americanas like to sit on top of the door to the chicken coop. The other Americana was given the name Dr. Wigglesworth. Then we close the door and the chickens go to bed. This is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, leave a like down below and subscribe if you haven't already. And as always, thank you for watching.